you. Welcome back to course Big Data Analytics and Business Intelligence. So our today's topic is evaluation and applications of BI. So in the last video we discussed about business intelligence. So we understand what is BI, what is the importance of BI and how BI works in a business. So in short, we understand the main objective of BI is to provide information, is to provide knowledge, or you can say information, so as to take appropriate decision. So BI help us in decision making in particular organization. So BI is very useful. So we understand that nowadays data play a very important role, and by analyzing that data you can extract a very useful pattern from that, and this is what a concept of BI, transforming a raw data into a information. This is what a BI. So here we discuss about the evolution, or you can say history of a BI. Okay, and then we discuss what are the major applications of a BI. So let's discuss it one by one. So first of all, we understand the evolution of BI, how BI comes into existence. See, the term of BI was very old. First time it was used in the year of 1865. In the year of 1865, the term BI was coined by one of the scientists, and he has coined this term after one of the banker who just collected a data related to banking and analyzed the data, and he got some profit. So based on this term was coined in the year of 1865. But after that, that much development was not done. Okay, up to 1970. Okay, means it was first coined in the year of 1865, but after that, that much attention was not paid towards this term BI. But in the year of 1970, when EF Code has presented a paper, published a paper based on the relational database, from that onwards, again the term BI was attracted, means some kind of attention paid towards the BI. So we talk about, means we discuss the history of BI in the time span of 10 years. So I told you that it was term in the year of 1865. After that, banker has got some profit after analyzing and gathering a data related to banking. Then no attention paid towards BI up to 1970. EF Code comes. EF Code have published paper based on RDBMS, and then importance of BI comes into existence. So in the year of 1980, see, the form of BI was going to change. If you observe this diagram carefully, then you come to know that we have just we are try to understand the BI in the gap of 10 years. So let's discuss what is BI, what is the status of BI, and what is happening in the BI in the year of 1980. So in the year of 1980, the intention is very initial. Okay, our intention is very simple. What happened to particular business? So it's simply a report generation. So in the 1980s, BI was used to generate a simple report which tells us what happened at a particular moment. Means what happened in particular business. So at that time they are going to generate static and interactive report for all kinds of user. Okay, all user can do it. Then after 10 years, in the year of 1990s, what happened? You can see here, by using BI, what we can able to do, why did it happen, means we can able to analyze for a particular business based on the data that we gathered related to business, and we try to understand why this thing is happen with the particular business. Why did it happen? That means analysis can be done based on the data collected related to particular business. So at that time, they have used OLAP. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing. Actually, it's a concept of data warehousing and data mining. So ad hoc query were used, Excel were used, and also visual analysis was carried out in the year of 1990s. So which help us to understand why did it happen in a particular business, and generally it is being done by the business analyst. Then in the year of 2000, there was a change, there was a advancement in the field of BI, and at that time dashboards were developed in order to generate the reports, in order to generate the data or convert the data into information. So at that time we can able to see what's happening, we can able to monitor our business. In the 1980, by using the report we just understand what happened. In the 1990, why did it happen, we try to analyze it. And in the year of 2000, again advancement was done in the field of BI, and at that time we understand what's happening in that means we are in the monitoring phase, we are just continuously monitoring our business and try to understand what is happening currently. Okay, so that was extracted from the data that we have gathered. So at that time dashboards were developed. Then as we go move ahead, again after 10 years, in the year of 2010, again advancement done, and at the time data mining tools were used, as well as the term data science comes into existence. And this data science term also helps BI to make advancement. Okay, data science field also helps BI to make advancement, and it will tell what will happen. Okay, means in this case we are going to predict. If you observe it carefully, then previously means if you see the journey of BI, history of a BI or evolution of a BI, what happened, then after that why did it happen, then after that what happening, we are continuously monitoring it. And in the year of 2010, with the help of data science, we can able to predict what will happen, what will be the sale in the next year, in the next quarter, what will be the sale of our business, that we can able to predict. And in the year of 2020, lot of data products was developed to analyze, understand, predict. Means all these features are combined together to form a one product of a BI, which help us to improve our business by providing it important knowledge which are necessary in order to take a decision. And in this case we automate action, means action can be automatic. In that case, continuously you are monitoring your data, analyzing your data, try to extract some pattern, and according to this you are taking action automatically. This is what a advancement done in the field of BI. Since from the year of 1865 to 2020, that advancement was done in the field of business intelligence. So here you can see there are two colors are there, so reporting and analysis. That means in the year of 1980, major focus of BI was on reporting. Then in the 1990s, analysis focus was on analysis. Again in the 2000, again focus come back to reporting. Again in the year of 2010, focus was on analyzing the data, and also in the 2020 we are focusing on analyzing on the data. So analysis of a data is very important. Means only generating a report is not sufficient, but to analyze the data, to extract some knowledge, this is what a important thing that we need to understand about the BI. So this is another diagram which try to explain the evolution of BI. So initially you just gather the raw data, then it converted into information, then it transformed to knowledge, and finally that knowledge is being transformed to wisdom. So this is what a journey of a BI since from the year of 1865 to 2020. So this is all about the history, or you can say evolution of a BI, how the term BI was evolved. Then we discuss about the various applications of a BI. So very first application is e-commerce. In the field of e-commerce industry, BI concept is very useful. If you take an example of Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, any e-commerce industry that will make use of a BI to improve their business. So they will gather the data related to their customer products and try to analyze it, try to extract some pattern, and make use of a BI to improve their business. Means what are the products are there which are in very much demand, what are the products are there which are not in demand. So we need to focus on the choice of a customer, we need to focus on satisfaction, how we need to satisfy the customer, what are their choices, how their choice is going to change. So all this thing is possible with the help of BI. So after applying the BI in the e-commerce industry, obviously their sales is growing. Then again BI has its application in the field of technology itself. Suppose we take an example of a Google, so it is one of the technology giants. Again, you can take any other example. Is there a number of industries are there, a number of technological industries are there, which are making use of a BI to predict the current trends, future trends, as well as to satisfy the need of current customer as well as in the future customer. So in the field of technology also, BI making use to analyze the current need, demand, and future technological demands. Then application of BI for social platform, we talk about the Facebook is there, YouTube is there, LinkedIn is there, and number of social networking sites are there. So their BI can be used to analyze the data. Recently you just heard about that in case of Instagram, they are come up with a new feature that suppose any illegal or unethical post is there in the Instagram, so obviously they are going to remove it automatically. So this kind of feature is there. This is what this feature is coming just because of the analyzing the existing data, analyzing the current need of the user. So one by one new feature is coming in the various social platform. In case of YouTube is there, Facebook is there, so a number of things are there. So why this thing is happening? Just because of analysis of existing data that we have gathered. So BI is also having a very good application in the field of social networking or social platform. Then BI can also be used in case of food industries, in case of various restaurant, what is the demand for particular product. So here you can see burger is there, ice cream is there, sandwich is there, so pranks are there. So it is totally depend on the existing data that you have collected related to customer, and try to understand what is the current need, future need, how to satisfy customer. Satisfaction of customer is very very important. Once the customer is satisfied with a particular product, then obviously the sale of that particular industry is going to increase. So in the case of food industries are there, so a number of, if we talk about our Haldiram is one of the food giants in our area. So obviously they are also going to make use of the BI, how to satisfy customer, what are the new products that we need to launch, what are the likes and dislikes of a customer, what the problem that they are facing, what is the future need. So all these things are there that you can analyze with the help of BI. The next one is application of BI in the field of airline industry. So in this corona pandemic, you can see that airline industry have their business totally in the trouble. So in that case they can make use of BI, that how means what will be the current need, okay, what will be the current need, how passengers are there, what passengers are thinking, how to increase their business. Of course after getting the confirmation from the government, this thing is going to happen after getting confirmation from the government. Now airline industry is very much in trouble. So in that case they can also make use of a BI to analyze their customer need, customer choices, what is their expectation in this corona pandemic. So all this thing is possible with the help of a BI. They can analyze their data, try to satisfy customer, try to understand their expectation, what they are expecting to get a service while traveling. So all this thing is possible with the help of BI in airline industry also. Then we talk about business intelligence for restaurant, as well as BI for various taxi providing services such as Uber is there, Ola is there. Also they are facing lot of issues during this corona pandemic, because nobody wants to travel by using a public transport or a private transport, but they want to use their own vehicle to travel this. So in that case Uber, Ola also make use of a BI, try to understand the, again, see, in any business the thing is very common. What is that? Try to understand current need, future need, try to satisfy the customer, try to understand their expectation. This is what a common thing, common parameter that we need to discuss for each and every business. So you can also make use of a BI in restaurant industry, as well as in case of Ola and Uber. So that's it. So these are the various applications of a BI. or you can say what are the various different industries where you can use a BI. But again, I want to say that BI is not only restricted to this many domain or this many industries. BI can be used in a multiple business other than this also. So I hope you understand how evolution of BI has been takes place, and you also understand what are the applications of BI, where BI can be used, and what are the requirement and needs are there. Thank you.